Goudy checking in out here on the mighty Mississippi River, just enjoying the day. You know, it's partly cloudy, just wispy clouds and winds out of the south and nice breeze. I don't know, I think it's 70 some, almost 80 degrees. I don't know for sure. Good stuff. Night crawlers, and that's triple S. Used to be formerly Sunny Super Sticky. You always got to have the Carolina Chris koozie. That brings you good luck. It's windy, but it's warm. I think, Luce, got supper? We got supper? You don't care, do you? She doesn't eat fish. There we go. I was blessed once again. Today's catch. I don't know. I'll weigh this guy. He's probably 5, 6, maybe 5 or 6 pounds. Here's a whole fryer, another whole fryer. These are my favorites. Yeah, favorite sizes right there. That one, this is real close. This is probably 1 3/4 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. This is just about 1.5 pounds. So that right there is ideal size. This is okay. So, yeah. A couple whole fryers and some fillets, can't beat it. Yeah, I guess he was a little heavier than I thought. 7-pounder. I put up a nice fight. Oh, yes, sir. You see it right there. Yes, sir. I love a good cat fight. You know what? I think it's time. I think it's time for a vessel of amber fluid. I need to get my priorities straight. Thank you, Carolina Chris. Not only did he supply a koozie for my soda when I was out in the boat, he supplied the opener. He made that, handmade, on his homemade forge. Gave that opener to me. And it works. Look at that. You know, it's been a while. Nothing I like better than a nice cold beverage. Yes. And clean some fish. I might have to have 2. Well, those taste so good. It's so smooth. I'll get those fish clean. And I'll have one with the fish. Skip's running pretty good today. I might try to talk a little Skip a little later. We'll see.
I see you. 29, I heard you in there too on that driver. 410, stand by radio, standing by. Hey, 25, there's a whole bunch of big radios.
Jicama. Looking good. Magic doors today. Wait, just look at that. Look at that. Whole fryers are down here. And those that eat potatoes, yeah. Those that eat jicama, yeah, right there. One of my subscribers from South Carolina, years ago, told me about this rice and catfish. You put a little grease, a little of the oil that you cook the fish in, on the cauliflower. Well, in my case, it's cauliflower. In the true tradition, they put a little oil on that rice. In my tradition, I put a little of that oil on the cauliflower. Oh, it's so good. And I tell you, it is very much like rice. I have my broccoli, I have my jicama, I have a low carb catfish delight. The only thing that's not low carb, 10 carbs in that one push. Oh well. I've had a lot of people ask about catfish, how to eat them. This is the way I do it. They got a main backbone, and those are the bones. That's the only bones. There's no other bones other than the rib bones. But you take, and I score that down to that main backbone, and there is total fish right there, no bones whatsoever. Fresh, never been frozen fish. That is so good. Anyway, you can just work your fork right up that backbone and peel all the meat off there you want without any bones whatsoever. It's just that good. Just how it's done. I save my carbs so I can have one of those. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.